There's two species that we're restoring this habitat for here on the American River, Central Valley steelhead and fall run Chinook salmon. And we're building this project to support them being able to spawn and build nests as adults to provide for more juvenile fish and also develop a side channel habitat that'll provide rearing habitat over the summer for those steelhead to live in the American River.
Over time, with the dams in place, the smaller gravel moves downstream. The fish would congregate up near the dam, and that's where the small gravel was basically gone near the dam. It was big cobbles that fish couldn't move to spawn in. But the whole river is cut down over time, and if you look at all the dredger tailings along the river, a lot of that stuff came out of the river. It's cut down a lot from what it was initially, and we've been working to improve it.
So the Riverbend site is just one of 10 sites on the American River where Water Forum is working in partnership with our various state and federal agencies. And this site is important because when our native fall run Chinook and steelhead are coming back from the ocean to spawn and complete their life cycle, this is the first site that they encounter where habitat has been restored. This is the best part of the river for their habitat, where we see the best conditions and they have the best chance of success.
So cooperation is an essential part of habitat restoration. It takes only a couple months to build these projects, but typically a couple years to design and permit these projects.
All of the work getting to the point of construction and where you're monitoring the effectiveness of projects, there are so many steps that have to be completed, and it's a years-long process.
These kinds of projects are important for Reclamation to support its goals of balancing fish and water management in the Central Valley. We're going to continue to make great strides and great investments in habitat restoration, both on the American River and across the Central Valley for salmon and steelhead and other native fish. I think one of the exciting things about habitat restoration projects are we're often able to see the benefits right away. Here we are early in the fall. Soon adult salmon are going to be returning and they'll be spawning hopefully right here in these habitats, and we'll be able to see them right off of the bridge.